Hey Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool Amazon here, and basically what this is a fake artificial plant. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, the first thing you see inside is a plant. So take it out. So like I mentioned, it is a fake plant, so you don't have to worry about any bugs or anything. So when you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. But once you guys kind of let go, you have the option to adjust it how you guys want to. So if you guys want to keep it up like this, you definitely can. But the way how they design it allows you guys to push it down like this and bend it. So if you guys want to bend all the plants on here, you definitely can. Or if you guys want to just keep it up, you guys can do that as well. And then see inside the actual plant, they do have some fake dirt that's not actual dirt. So you don't have to worry about watering or anything since it is like a fake plant. I believe for the outer layer for the cup area here, it's like plastic material. So whether you want to use it at home, in office, or anywhere else, that is up to you guys. But you see it definitely looks pretty nice. It actually looks like a real plant from far away. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are someone who don't have time to kind of take care of your plants, but you guys still want to get some kind of plant or something, then definitely getting like a fake plant is actually really nice. So that way you can have a little bit of green in your room or your office or wherever, and you don't have to worry about watering or take care of it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.